देखिए this question, the question is, an athlete takes 2 seconds to reach his maximum speed 18 km per hour. What is the magnitude of his average acceleration? So the time in which he acquires maximum speed is 2 seconds and his maximum speed is 18 km per hour. So that needs to be first converted into meter per second. So 18 km means how much? 18,000 meters in 1 hour means how much? 3600 seconds. So if we solve it, we are going to get 5 meter per second. So we have a conversion actually. We have, if you have something in kilometer per hour, that you can convert in meter per second by multiplying it by 5 by 18. So 1 kilometer per hour can be written as 5 by 80 meter per second. So from where do we get this? From where do we get this? Actually, this is coming from this same relation. That is 1 kilometer per hour is 1000 divided by 3600. So if you solve it, you will have 5 by 18 meter per second. So we need to solve it. So this is 5, and average acceleration, how much it will be? That will be change of velocity by time. So it will be 5 minus 0 by time. In how much time? 2 seconds. So 2.5 meter per second square. So very
sir.
Yeah. Okay. A bullet traveling with velocity 16 meter per second penetrates a tree trunk and comes to rest in 0.4 meter. Find the time taken during the retardation. So what is the question given here is a bullet traveling with speed 16 meter per second penetrates tree trunk and comes to rest in 0.4 meter. Find the time taken during the retardation. So initial speed will be what? 16 meter per second. Final speed will be what? 0, and comes to rest in 0.4 meter, means 40. After traveling a 40 centimeter distance or 0.4 meter distance, the object comes to rest. Find the time taken for retardation. So which formula we should use? So we have S, we have U, we have V. So the formula, which formula we should use? That we can use this one, S equal to U plus V. This is also one of the formula. This is the formula for average velocity. This is called average velocity. This whole thing. U plus V by 2 is called average velocity, and this can be used here. So what will be the time? So time कितना हो जाएगा देखिए, S into 2 by U plus V. So we can do it like this. So S is how much? 0.4. 0.4 into 2 by 16 plus 0. 0.4 into 2 by 16. 8. So 1 by 20 second. This will be the answer.